In this video, we'll walk you through how to download public surveys in Survey123 on your iPhone or iPad. There are 3 different ways to do this, so let's get started. The first way to download surveys is by using your camera app. Open your camera and point it at the document you were sent. At the bottom, you'll see an overlay appear. Tap on it, and Survey123 will open automatically, download, and install the survey. If you're not ready to add an asset to your feature layer, press the X in the upper left corner, then select Close and Lose Changes. The survey is now saved in your Survey123. The second way is to scan a QR code directly from Survey123. Open the app and locate the search bar at the top. On the right side of the search bar, tap the QR code icon. Now, point your camera at the survey QR code. The survey form will open automatically. If you don't have an asset to add right now, press the X in the upper left corner, then select Close and Lose Changes. The survey is now saved in Survey123. The third way to download a survey is by using a document link. First, download and open the document on your device. Look for the links underneath the QR codes and tap on the one for the survey you want. Select Open when prompted. Survey123 will download and open the survey. If you're not ready to add an asset, press the X in the upper left corner, then select Close and Lose Changes. And that's it. 3 simple ways to download public surveys into Survey123 on your iPhone or iPad. Now you're ready to test out your new InfraMarker RFID license.